flat bench mountain climbers. All right, so this is very similar to the standard mountain climber variation that you would do on the floor. This one's just a little bit, I'd say, easier, just because you're a little bit you're inclined. All right, so you don't have as much pressure on your hands. I actually prefer this one better, just because you still get the elevated heart rate, but you're getting more focus on your ab contractions because you don't have so much pain on your wrist, in my opinion. All right, so let me go over how to do this. So first, get you a flat bench, right? And then our hand position is just going to be about shoulder width. That's it. All right, so you can either go flat palms or you can reverse grip it if you prefer. All right, I like this. Next, get into a nice flat back position. Make sure that you're not like this, so you're rolled flat back like a ramp, and then tighten up your core. All right, so now I'm just bringing in my right knee right inside the right elbow. Next side. If you notice, as I bring my legs in, I'm kind of rocking my body this way. And that's how you're going to get a full ab contraction on each tuck that you're doing. All right. Just make sure you're keeping your back flat. You don't want to start raising up like this. Keep it nice and flat.